Hello, it's Gem Games here once again and welcome to this new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a real mesh with our player, because before we only had the mannequin and a lot of people have been asking me how to change it. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do it, so you can actually see like real hands with the flashlight and so on. So yeah, let's get started. So, you can actually use any skeletal mesh that uses Unreal Engine 5 skeleton. I will show you a free but really good one. So you want to go to the Fab and to the 3D. Here, characters and creatures, humans. Now, price, let's set it to only show free products. And now here we have, you can also use this one, but I will be using this quantum modular character, okay? And I have already added it to my library, so you will have the text here, like I will show you by clicking this. It will say add to my library. You want to click that, not on this one, but the one that you want to use. Then you want to change the format to be Unreal Engine, add to project, and then you want to select your project and add to project, okay? And after that, let's open our editor and our project. And now if you did everything correctly, you should have the new folder here. And you want to open the mesh or whatever folder your mesh is in. And here we have the skeletal mesh SKM quantum character. Okay. But if you try to just change the player character mesh, here on the horror game blueprints and on the BP player character, if you just try to change it here on the viewport, it will not work correctly. So what you will have to do first is you want to go to the back to the folder. You want to select the mesh, right click and skeleton, assign skeleton, and you want to assign the SKM Queen Simple, SKM Queen Simple, this one. Yeah, it should have almost all the bones correct. Yeah, it's missing some bones, but the main bones are here. Okay. Let's click accept. Okay. Let's wait for it to merge. Now, when we go to the BP player character and we select our character mesh, we can change this to the SKM quantum character. And as you can see, it will work. If you cannot see the animations, you might have to select the animation blueprint again, ABP player C. Okay, compile, save, and it should be working. Now when we play, you can see we have the feet, the pants and all. If we pick up the flashlight and we equip it, which button do I use for this? Actually, I don't remember. Here. As you can see, we have the skeletal mesh in use. So yeah, that was a quick tutorial because a lot of people have been asking me how to do this. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one.